Wouldn't it be nice if you could see gift totals by donor for specific campaigns and time periods, or add up other numerical values and store them in a separate field? Adding up subsets of numbers is one of the many things you can do with the mass update function. Let's say your board of directors would like to see a report at the end of each campaign identifying the donors and how much each of them contributed. You have a query that lists all of the campaign gifts, but there's a separate entry for each donation, and some donors have given multiple gifts. You want one total for each donor. The sum function of mass update is the ideal solution. Before you run mass update, you need to do two things. First, back up your database. Mass update is very powerful, and once you make a change across your database, it's permanent. Second, make sure that the query identifying campaign gifts includes the F-note card table. This will give mass update access to the field you need. You don't need to show any F-note card fields in the query. You just need to include the table in step 1 of query design. Once you've backed up your database and have a query, you're ready to run mass update. Open the Maintenance tab and click the Mass Update button. On the Select Update Instructions screen, click New, then click OK. The Mass Updates screen is where you'll tell ResultsPlus which records to work with, which field to add up, and where to store the result. Let's take a closer look. First, we'll select the query that identifies the campaign gifts. Let's say you name the query Gifts by Campaign. Then you need to select the mass update function you want to use. To sum the amounts in a numerical field, choose Sum the Values From. Then choose the Gift Designation Amount field. Now you tell ResultsPlus where to store the gift total for donors who made multiple gifts to the campaign. Let's choose the F-note card F-item 26 field, since it's one of the numerical fields available for use in the F-note card. First, we'll select the F-note card table, then the F-item 26 field. Everything looks okay, so we'll click the Perform Update button. ResultsPlus will ask you if you want to save these update instructions so you can run them again. If you click Yes, ResultsPlus will ask you to assign a name to the update definition, and the name will be included in the list when you click the Mass Update button in the future. Let's click Yes. Then we'll enter a descriptive name. ResultsPlus will then ask you to confirm that you backed up your database before it performs the update. Select the appropriate option and click Update Data. ResultsPlus will display a progress meter while it performs the calculations and saves the values. Then it will display a completion message. When it's done, click OK. Then click Close. Now that the F-item 26 field contains the total amount each donor gave to the campaign, you can use this field in a query to create a report for your board of directors. Please note, if you're adding up gift amounts, it's better to use the amount field in the gift designation table than the amount field in the gift transaction table. This is because gifts can be divided between multiple funds, campaigns, and appeals, and the gift designation table contains all of that information. This completes the tutorial on summarizing data and putting it in a new field.